Wouldn't it be weird if we suddenly had a delivery and there was a puppy dog inside of it, and then the puppy dog was actually evil and I broke my leg somehow?
Yeah, but what are the odds of that?
My spider senses are tingling.
Why don't we just check it out? Toby! Meh. Oh my god, it's a puppy dog! Man, I'm so happy that the puppy and Toby are gone. Peace and quiet. What's that outside?
It's Reece time to have happy moments.
Wait a minute, Toby, it didn't bark!
Because it only loves me.
Toby, what has the dog done to you?
Me and the dog are united now. Nothing shall stop our paths. Isn't that right, Smoke and Pour?
Fine, I don't need you anymore.
Don't worry, Rex. Now nothing can stop us ruling the universe.
Man, it's no fun when Toby's not here. Man, Toby and his stupid puppy.
Is that Rex? You don't want to rule the world with me? Well, I don't like you either.
Toby, are you okay?
Yeah, but I don't know, the robot dog. Oh my god, it's after us! Oh my god, it's after us!
I'm right behind you, Toby. Toby, I think it's time we end our fears.
Shut up, you stupid mutt! Another job well done.
You're enough.
Louder! Louder!
Milk and cookies.
Oh wait. Go!
I need... Say 3, 2, 1.
Go. Yeah, but the... Oh my god.